What's up? It's me, Willis Flo, and I got some exciting news for all of us today. Look what I found in my backyard. You know it. You guessed it. Weather balloon. Yeah, buddy. And I got my flame. Big old flame. Which almost burnt me the other day. Which kind of fucking sucked. But, yeah. I need at least 100 views on this video. To be able to upload the next one when that bad bitch is in flight. Alright? I need that happen, okay? If that doesn't happen, I might cry. I might seriously, like, cry. And I'm gonna try to get my friends Mega Things. You heard Mega Things 1, 2, 3 all up in that bitch. All up in that video. And don't forget to look at them too. I'm gonna put a link right there. Boop. Look at that, alright? And if you don't look at it, I may cry, as I will probably comment there. But, alright, so, and then once we get up to 300 views, we're going to start, like, putting all of, like, my extreme sports stuff, and fights just going to start going up as soon as I start blowing up. Alright, so remember, I'm Willis Flo BC, and remember to always like my videos, comment on my videos, and subscribe. Helps a ton, guys. And then don't forget to share them too, because everybody likes a good laugh. Alright, this is me, Willis Flo BC, out.